Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Super excited about the class that we have coming your way on Tuesday, May 16th. And this is going to be for all of Little Rock. So the Keller Williams agents, of course, any other brokerages that would like to attend, any business owners that want to attend from Little Rock. This is going to be a day for you. And what we're going to be doing from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and have a working lunch during this as well is become Google Great, one of my more popular Google workshops. We're going to show you how you can be very effective for free with all of the tools and techniques that Google provides to you. We're going to have our lunch and then we'll come back and we'll have ChatGPT for your business from 1 to 2. This is going to be a 1 hour session on probably the hottest topic right now, not only in real estate, not only in business, but in the world, ChatGPT and how we can use this for our business. Location is going to be the Pleasant Valley Country Club. RSVP below. We already have a bunch of people signed up, but we want a packed house. So bring your guest, bring your potential business partners, whoever the case may be, allied resources, people that are in your database, any type of business owner in Little Rock, this is a class for you. So we'll see you then. Thanks.